Hello everyone. Today shall discuss exercise 14.1 question number 4. The following figures have more than one line of symmetry. Such figures are said to have multiple lines of symmetry. Here see this is horizontal line of symmetry, this is vertical line of symmetry. Here you see this is horizontal, this is vertical, and this is a diagonal line of symmetry. Here also this is one line of symmetry, two line of symmetry, three line of symmetry. Now identify multiple lines of symmetry if any in each of the following figures. Let us find the multiple line of symmetry. Let us find first of all let us take a ruler, and with this ruler we'll find the line of symmetry. Let us take the line of symmetry. Here you see in this figure there will be three lines of symmetry, right? Like this one is like this. You see first one will be like this. This is one line of symmetry. You see this one is first line of symmetry, right? One, and another one will be like this. Another line of symmetry will be like this. Another line of symmetry will be like this. Right? This is another line of symmetry. Right? And there is, you can draw another line of symmetry in this way. Here you see that there are three lines of symmetry. There are three lines of symmetry. Here you see there is another line of symmetry here. That means you are getting here that there are three lines of symmetry for this figure, right? And for this figure you'll find that there are two lines of symmetry. One is horizontal and another one is vertical. You see there are two lines of symmetry. The first one is like this, horizontal, and another one is vertical like this. This is vertical line of symmetry. You see this is the vertical line of symmetry. This is a vertical line of symmetry, right? And in this figure you see in the triangle figure you will get three lines of symmetry. You see this is one line of symmetry, this is one line of symmetry, right? And this is second line of symmetry will be like this. This is the second line of symmetry, right? And this is the third line of symmetry like this. This is the third line of symmetry. You see here that this is the third line of symmetry. This is the third line of symmetry. That means in this figure there are three lines of symmetry. Here you see in this figure there are two lines of symmetry. That is diagonal symmetry. You see this is the diagonal of this square. This is one line of symmetry. This is one line of symmetry, right? And there is another line of symmetry that is also diagonal. This is another line of symmetry. This is another line of symmetry. In this figure there are only two lines of symmetry. In figure E, you see in figure E there are two lines of symmetry. There are four lines of symmetry in figure E. You see there are four lines. One is diagonally. This is one line of symmetry. right? And you see here in this figure also there is another line of symmetry, that is this one, this diagonal. This is second line of symmetry. And also you can find horizontal line of symmetry and vertical line of symmetry. You see this one, there is another line of symmetry, that is horizontal line of symmetry. And also you can find there is another line of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry. You see, this is the vertical line of symmetry. That is 1 2 3 4, that is 4 lines of symmetry in this figure. There is another line, that is vertical line. There is 4 lines of symmetry. And in this figure, question number F, in question number F you will see there is only one line of symmetry. There is only one line of symmetry, that is vertical line of symmetry. You see, this has only vertical line of symmetry. Here you see, this has only vertical line of symmetry, right? And this figure, here if this figure, there are 4 lines of symmetry. Here you see, this is one is horizontal, one is horizontal line of symmetry. In this figure there is one horizontal line of symmetry. This has horizontal line of symmetry. This has horizontal line of symmetry. Another one is vertical line of symmetry. Another one is vertical line of symmetry, like this. There is vertical line of symmetry, right? And another is diagonal line of symmetry. Diagonal, you will find that diagonal is also be symmetrical, right? In this way you can find that diagonal also, that is diagonal line of symmetry. This is the diagonal line of symmetry. This is the diagonal line of symmetry. This is one diagonal and this is another diagonal. There is another diagonal here. This is diagonal line of symmetry. That is 4 lines of symmetry, right? You'll find in this figure there are 4 lines of symmetry. And figure H, and in figure H you'll find there are many lines of symmetry. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? You'll find many lines of symmetry. If you see here, that is you can find many lines of symmetry here. Let us find the various lines of symmetry. The first one will be like this. The first one will be vertical. You see, this is one line of symmetry. This is vertical, like this, right? The first one is vertical, like this. This is one line of symmetry, one. And there is another also line of symmetry, like in the middle you are getting, that means in the middle, second middle, you will get this one, that is in this middle you will get another line of symmetry. Here you will get another line of symmetry, right? This is the second line of symmetry. and you get also another line of symmetry in this way, like this, like this. Yes, in this way we are getting this line of symmetry also. This is third line of symmetry, right? This is third line of symmetry, and next line of symmetry will be here, that is at this point or corner. You'll get this line here, that is you'll get another line of symmetry at this point. Here you see, at this point you will get another line of symmetry at this point. Here you are getting another line of symmetry, right? And here also you will get another line of symmetry in this way, that is this point you will get another line of symmetry, this point and this point, this point, and here this point you will get another line of symmetry. Yes, here you will get another line of symmetry. In this point you will get another line of symmetry. This point you will get another line of symmetry, right? And another point will be right. That means these are the lines of symmetry for this figure, right? And you get another line of symmetry in this point also. Let us take the horizontal point also. We'll get this point also as line of symmetry. This is also one line of symmetry. You see, as many lines of symmetry here, right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.